The purpose of this video is to show some skiing. With all this snow, the conditions are perfect.
What do you think of this line there?
A shooting with an athlete is a mutual trust. We decide together on the lines and positions to show the action at its best while limiting the risk for both of us.
I can stop near the tree so you can make a big spread in front of us. Okay, I'm ready! Mais ça, c'est pas un shot épique, c'est trop bien! Ouais, génial, merci! Ah, ça c'est des shots qui font plaisir à faire. Allez, continue!
To film action, I use the maximum speed that the camera allows, here 120 frames per second in 4K, which is huge. I can do slow motion at a quarter of the speed, which looks great on sports.